HUAWEI Y6 Prime, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the phone's dialer, and here let's use the following secret code: *pound *pound 28 465 79 pound asterisk. Alright, as you can see, the project menu just pops up, so here we can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Of course, in order to accomplish the hard reset operation, you need to choose Restore Factory. So if you would like to erase all personal data, all customized settings and internal storage, let's tap OK. And the device is performing the hard reset, so you have to wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. As you can see, reset is successful. Now let's choose Shutdown and simply press Power key to activate your device. Wait a few seconds, the device is switching on, so let's just wait for the welcome panel. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.